He's riding it out!
Alright, so full disclosure, a lot of brain cells were killed in this video, and by a lot I mean all 15 of the brain cells that were involved in the making of this video. This is after the Brick Lake ride, so I got out there pretty early and then we decided to ride until 1 a.m. and I ended up sleeping in Holopal. So you know what that means. It was a good time. Just messing around in the water during water relays, just being goons, trying to kill the Hondas, which is impossible. All three of us had Terache Aztecs and no one got stuck and they did great, so nothing new there. Yes! Go. Oh no! It's still running! Oh shit! It's still running!
We got a next one!
Alright, Lars, hold on. Holding on.
I'm gonna do it for mine. Like I said, I haven't done much.
Oh! Oh, submarine. Yeah, I think so.
What the hell is that?
Save him, Gary, save him.